Okay, a couple things I really like about these grow bags. One, I wanted to actually give you the visual so you could see just how big that is as compared to like a tomato plant holder thing, so, which is the official title, I believe. But these are pretty sturdy. Really like them so far. Just filled them up, put them out in my garden. I'm just doing things a little bit easier on myself this year. We just have a busy summer. This is super cool, and it's really quality. There, check that out. Really good Velcro, like that a lot. Handles are good. I moved this. Felt really secure. No rips, pretty cool. I did the 5 10-gallon grow bags. Overall, I am super impressed with them. Let's see how they do. I did like focus on making sure I could aerate in the bottom with a little bit of pebble and then a couple different layers, but overall these are really feeling pretty good to me. I actually think I'm gonna put some more soil in there, but you know, up close of what this looks like. Pretty good. Good quality, nice and tight. Double stitch on the handles. Overall, really impressed. They're decent size and good quality.